Now sum number 3. Find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. In sum number 2, we have to find the smallest number with which the given number should be multiplied. But here we have to find the smallest number with which the given number should be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Same process we'll do here. First of all, we'll find the prime factorization of 128. So, it will go on the table of 2, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 2 and 1. Now 128 is equals to, write its factors, 2 into 2 into 2, again 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, and last is our 2. See, 3, 3 and 1. What is extra here? Here the extra number is 2. Now they said find the smallest number by which each number should be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Now here 2 is extra. So if we divide both sides with 2, we are able to eliminate this one. So on both sides we have to divide it with 2. See, these are 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 2. And this 2 is extra here, so we will divide it by 2. It will cut it. So it will go on the table of 1 and this is your 64. So 2 cube and 2 cube. So here, what is that smallest number by which the given number should be divided to obtain a perfect cube? Here that number is 2. So the required number is 2, or the required smallest number is 2. B part, 704. So 704 we'll divide it with 2. It's 3, 5 and 2. Again with 2, 1, 7, 6. Again with 2, 88, 44, 22 and last 11. So the factors of 704 are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 11. So we have to find that smallest number with which it should be multiplied. So to get a perfect cube. So what is the extra number here? This 11. So on both sides we will divide with 11. So here 11. When we cut it, what will we get? This is our 64 and 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So what is that smallest required number with which it should be multiplied? That smallest number is 11. So to get a perfect cube. Next, Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 to 5, means length, breadth and height. How many such cuboids will need it to form a cube? Here we are having a cuboid and we have to find how many number of cuboids will join or we need so that we get a cube. So in cube all the sides are equal, means length, breadth and height all are equal. So the sides are 5 to 5. So what will be the volume of cuboid? 5 to 5, 50 centimeter cube. It means what is the prime factorization of 50? 5, 5, 2. Now just see. To make it a cube, what we need? To make it a cube, we need one more 5 and 2 2's. Like here we are having 5, 5 and 2. So to make it a perfect cube, what we need? 1 5 and 2 2's. So that it will become a perfect cube. Now to make it a perfect cube, we need 1 times 5 and 2 2's, because 5 into 2 into 2 is your 20. It means this is your 50. So to make it a perfect cube, we must have 2 2 2, 5 5 5, because here we are able to make that 3 times. That the factor is repeating itself 3 times. So 2 2 2, 5 5 5. So what we need? We need 5 2 2 means 20. So this 2 and these 2 is 20, 5 5 2. So 20 into volume of given cuboid. It means how many cuboids we need more? We need 20 number of cuboids. Again I am repeating the sum. Here Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of side 5 to 5. Now we have to find how many cuboids will join or will need to form a cube. So we know that the sides are this and the volume of cuboid is 5 to 5, that is 50 centimeter cube. So we know that here the factors of 50 are 5 5 2. Now to make it a perfect cube, what we need? Here we need 1 times 5 and 2 times 2. 1 times 5 and 2 times 2. So 5 2s are 10 and 10 2s are 20. So directly here we have our answer that we need 20 more cubes. So on solving it we get the required number of cuboids are 20. Because if we multiply this 20 with this, we'll get a perfect cube. Because 20 into 50 is what? It is 10,000 and it is equals to the cube of 10.